Welcome to Bana Media, your go-to source for information on personal finance and wealth building techniques. We will examine a crucial subject in today's video called Money Habits Keeping You Poor, which has an impact on the financial stability of a great number of people. This video is specially made to shine a light on typical practices that may obstruct your financial success if you have been stuck in a cycle of financial struggle or question your bank account never seems to rise. Let's start on the path to financial empowerment by getting a pen and paper, making some notes, and getting started. Neglecting a budget is habit number one. Many people make the costly error of underestimating the significance of keeping track of their earnings and outgoings. Without a budget, it's simple to go overboard and lose control of your money. A monthly budget is essential to taking back control. List both fixed and variable expenses first, then list all sources of revenue. Continually monitor and assess your expenditure to find areas where you may cut back while setting aside more money for savings and reaching your financial objectives. By creating a budget, you can take control of your finances and provide a clear roadmap for your financial choices. It gives you a thorough picture of where your money is going and enables you to make decisions regarding on your spending practices. Furthermore, setting a budget gives you a power to prioritize your financial objectives and spend resources appropriately. You can find opportunities to boost savings, decrease wasteful spending, and move closer to your desired financial milestone by regularly reviewing and making adjustments. While not managing your budget might result in financial stress, doing so gives you more financial control and security. Impulsive shopping is habit number two. Impulsive buying can often tempt us away from our financial objectives. Even though those impulsive purchases may make us feel good right now, they could have a negative impact on our finances in the long run. It's critical to form the practice of evaluating if a purchase is actually necessary or just a want. If you want to make better selection and save money, pause for a while, compare costs, and look into other options. Financial success is largely dependent on understanding the difference between necessary and discretionary expenditure. Consider the need for and long-term worth of an item before making an impulse purchase. Use a cooling off method to give yourself time to think it over and balance the benefits and drawbacks of the purchase. To get better offers and possibly save money, compare prices and investigate other providers. Fighting impulsive purchase habit requires practicing self-control and identifying your spending triggers. You may recover control over your spending and work towards more financially secure future by concentrating on your financial priorities and making thoughtful purchase decisions. Here they are: failing to stick to a budget and scumbling the impulse shopping. These are the first two habits that may be keeping you impoverished. We have only begun to scrape the surface, so don't worry. Please hit the like button if you found this video useful and subscribe to our channel, Bana Media, for more insightful personal finance and wealth building videos. We value your help and we would be delighted to hear from you in the comments area. Living above your means is the third bad habit. We might easily fall into a routine of expenditure and debt, accumulating out of desire to fit in with social norms and express others. However, it's critical to understand that living beyond our means has a negative impact on our ability to maintain a long-term financial security. The trick is to make saving a priority and to choose a lifestyle that is compatible with our available resources. Rather than accumulating of material belongings, a true measure of prosperity should be a peace of mind that comes with financial security. Making deliberate decisions about your expenditures and differentiating between wants and requirements are necessary for living within your means. It entails creating sensible budgets, keeping tabs on spending, and avoid taking too much debt. Prioritizing saving and establishing an emergency fund is crucial for coping with unforeseen costs and preserving stability. You may escape the cycle of living beyond your means and take steps toward a more secure and satisfying financial future by concentrating on your financial well-being and cultivating a mindset of satisfaction. Ignoring debt is a habit number four. Ignoring your bills might have a serious repercussions. Create a strategy to systematically pay off your debts if you want to recover control of your financial condition. Start by giving high-interest bills such as a credit card account first priority because they typically accrue the greatest interest over time. To develop a sustainable repayment strategy, it could be required to consult a specialist or look into a debt consolidation solution. You can make considerable progress toward financial freedom and open up prospect for a better future by facing your debts heads on. A proactive approach is necessary for managing and minimizing your debt. Make a budget that provides for a regular debt payments after first evaluating your existing financial status. To hasten the process of paying off your debts, think about making additional payments whenever you can. Additionally, it's critical to avoid taking on more debts at the same time and to put an emphasis on sensible spending practices. Learn as much as you want about personal finance, and if necessary, get advice from professionals. Keep in mind that you are creating a foundation for a more secure and profitable financial future by taking control of your debts and moving toward their removal. A budget allows you to take control of your finances and create a clear roadmap for your financial choices. It gives you a thorough picture of where your money is going and enables you to make decisions regarding of your spending practices. Furthermore, setting a budget gives you a power to prioritize your financial objectives and spend resources appropriately. You can find opportunities to boost saving, decrease wasteful spending, and move closer to your desired financial milestone by regularly reviewing and making adjustments. Overall, failing to stick to a budget can result to a monetary stress, whereas actively remaining one gives you a financial more stability and control. Lack of emergency fund is habit number 5. Without a safety net, our financial stability could suffer because life has a tendency of surprising us. But don't worry, my friend, we're going to reverse this bad habit. Let's customize it to your particular situation and make it personal. To begin, decide on the saving target that fits your lifestyle and financial goals. This is your unique financial safety net whenever it covers 3 or 6 months worth of living expenses. Make a habit of saving by consistently making a contribution, no matter how modest. Reduce those tiny costs that don't support your goals and use the money you save to build up your emergency fund. Keep in mind that this fund is for your go-to tool for emergency repair, sudden job loss, and unforeseen medical expenses. You're laying the groundwork for a more secure and in control future by taking the construction of your personal financial safety net a top priority. 6. Habit host, not investing. The investment world can occasionally seem like uncharted ground, but don't worry, my fellow explorers. We're about to set out on an exciting voyage to develop riches through unique investment ideas. Make investment your most valuable financially ally right now. Start by becoming knowledgeable about the numerous investment possibilities, including stocks, bonds, and real estate. Let's make your journey more unique by identifying the investment opportunities that aligns with your objectives and principles. Start out modestly and build up your contribution as you develop confidence. Compounding is the key to the magic dough. Like having a secret ability, your investment gains increase returns even further, advancing your financial situation. Habit number 7 center around the importance of seeking financial education to enhance your financial well-being. Developing a solid understanding of personal finance is a key aspect of building wealth and making informed financial decisions. By actively seeking financial educations, you empower yourself with the knowledge and skills necessary to navigate the complexities of money management effectively. Seeking financial education is essential for making informed decisions and achieving financial success. By reading books, attending workshops, taking courses, or seeking professional guidance, you gain valuable insight into budgeting, investing, and retirement planning. This knowledge empowers you to avoid scams, adapt to economic changes, and make strategic financial choices. Prioritizing financial education is a proactive step towards securing a brighter and more prosperous financial future. Habit number 8 is not having goals. It might be difficult to make financial progress and leave you feeling frustrated and lost if you don't set clear financial goals. It's essential to have both short term and long term goals if you want to succeed financially. Long term objectives can include preparing for retirement or assembling a sizable investment portfolio. Objectives may include saving for a trip or paying off a particular obligation. You can construct a roadmap for your financial journey by outlining your goals and breaking them down into manageable milestones. Setting clear financial goals aids in maintaining your motivation and focus. It offers you a goal to work towards and make it possible for you to monitor your development over time. You may make more deliberate financial decisions that support your goals when you are aware of your aims. Furthermore, by prioritizing your spend and saving, you can make sure that your financial resources are used efficiently. Setting goals is a potential strategy that helps you achieve your financial objectives and moves you closer to a better future whenever they are to buy a home, launch a business, or become financially independent. Ninth habit is paying full price. Paying full price can strain your finances. Embrace frugality by using coupons, shopping sales, and comparing prices online. Every dollar saved brings you closer to your financial goal, building a secure future. Take advantage of money saving opportunities and make wise purchasing decisions. Habit number 10 is not taking care of yourself. Neglecting self care can harm your personal and financial life. Prioritize your well being to prevent medical expenses, boost productivity, and make wise financial decisions. Investing in your health is an investment in your financial future. Prioritize activities that promote physical and mental well being, improving your overall quality of life and reducing financial burdens. Remember, self care is essential, not a luxury. Allocate time for rejuvenation, enabling you to navigate financial challenges with energy and focus. Prioritize self care for a long term financial success through investing early and consistently. Break poor money habits and subscribe to Bana Media for valuable personal finance insights. Take control of your finances, achieve freedom, and create a brighter future. Stay financially wise. I'll see you on the next video.